Okay, LeChateliers principle, and this deals with shifting equilibrium. Okay, when stress is brought to a system in equilibrium, the system tends to change so as to relieve that stress. So we're talking again about the equilibrium changing, so we're reaching a new equilibrium. Ways to shift the equilibrium. You can add or remove products or reactants. So you can add compounds. If you add compounds to one side, it's always going to shift away from that. Okay? So AA, add away. Anytime you remove compounds or take compounds from one side, it's always going to shift towards that. So TT, add away, take towards. You can add or remove heat or energy. Okay, so it's going to follow the same pattern. Add away, take towards. Okay, next one. You can add or remove pressure. Now, pressure is only going to affect the actual gases. So in this particular one, we have all gases. And it's going to, if the pressure is increased, so if we, remember this is all in one container. So if we increase the pressure, it's going to shift to the side with fewer total gas molecules. So let's add the gas molecules up on the left. 4 and 5 gives us 9 gas molecules. And then over here, 4 and 6 gives us 10. All right, what takes up more space? 9 gas molecules or 10 gas molecules? What takes up more space? 9 basketballs or 10 basketballs? Obviously 9. So what's going to happen is it's going to shift this way. Because 9 takes up less space. We're squishing these molecules. So these 10 on this side are going to react to form these 9 because they take up less space. What about if we did this then? If pressure is decreased, so we provide more, like we expand the container, it's going to shift toward the side with more total gas molecules. So an increase in pressure in that case would shift to the right-hand side. So we're making more of the products in that case. And then finally, a catalyst in the system in equilibrium has no effect on it. We're going to deal with catalysts in a system that's not in equilibrium, so a system that that goes to completion, in which case a catalyst will affect those, but it doesn't for a system that's in equilibrium. All right, that concludes LeChateliers principle.